Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to merge cells in Excel. Okay, so if you want to merge cells in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Okay, so first I will increase size. Now I want to merge this from A2 to E2. Okay, from this cell to this cell. Okay, so I want to merge this cell. So what you have to do, you have to just select all the cell. Okay, then here you will see merge cell option. Click on it and you will see the cell is merged. Okay, now if I write anything or type anything here, hi, how are you? Okay, so you will see you can write easily across the cells. And here you will see options. If you increase the size, okay, you will see it is in the bottom. You can just align into the middle at the top. Okay, like this. You can also choose all these things to rotate text. Okay, you can also format the cell. You can choose number, alignment, font, border, fill, protection. All these you can use. Okay, these are the functions which you can use after merging the cell. Okay, so like this you can merge cells in Excel. So if you like the video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.